Hey, this is Chelsea Ellis with Jim Reynolds Asphalt. I'm co-owner of Jim Reynolds Asphalt, a company that's been around for over 3 decades, and I'm the 3rd generation owner. We're so happy because now we want to make sure that we're talking to all of our property managers, the owners of different properties here in Louisville, Kentucky, because we want to make sure you keep your asphalt surface maintained. It can save you a lot of money, it can save you a lot of time, and also make your property look 10 times better. When seal coating an asphalt property, what we do is we come in, we first clean the asphalt surface. We do that by brooming and blowing it off. After doing that, we then crack fill your 1/4-inch cracks on the parking lot to make sure that they're filled up. And then once we do that, then we come in and do any pothole repairs. And we can do that with hot asphalt, or we can do that with cold patch if they're more so of smaller areas. After doing the asphalt repairs, then we'll come in, seal that asphalt parking lot neatly with spray or brooming, depending on the size. Does your asphalt parking lot have a lot of cracks in it? Is it causing problems for your tenants or your customers? Has it been over 4 years since you seal coated your parking lot? If you answered yes to any of those questions, you need our service today. When you seal coat your asphalt surface, it protects it from the sun's UV rays as well as from the snow that falls down and may get into the cracks, freeze, and cause potholes. So by seal coating it, it protects the asphalt surface from any of those things happening, and it keeps it maintained, which in turn saves you thousands of dollars. If you want a quote today, you can call us at 502-494-1137, or you can fill out your information below right now and we can get you a quote within the next 24 hours. So go ahead, fill out your information. We can't wait to get you that quote.